right, so we're going to be writing equations. We're going to take a sentence and turn it into a mathematical equation. So, some keywords. The area of a triangle equals the product of half the length of the base and the height. So, we got to look for those keywords. Area equals product, base, height. We have some unknowns here. The area is unknown. The base and the height are unknown. So when we put this all together, our area is equal to, the product means multiply, so I want to multiply half BH. And that would give me the area of a triangle. So translate the following sentence into an equation. A number x subtracted from 36. So a number x subtracted from 36 is being the key word there. That's important. Is means equals. And then our second part, 3 times the sum of 4 and x. So the first part would be a number x subtracted from 36 is 3 times the sum. So we put this in parentheses because we want the sum of 4 and x first. And then I want 3 times that sum. So that's going to have to go in parentheses first. So there's that equation. So all we're doing is looking for the keywords and then setting up the equation. Translate each equation into a sentence. So we could say the product of 6 and a number z minus 15 is 45 or is equal to the sum of a number y squared and 3 times a number. Now, you could write this any way you want. The key thing is make sure we're using key phrases like sum, squared, product, times, all those kind of keywords. And that's lesson 2-1.